Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to explain pastoral elegy and we will also explain that how pastoral elegy is different from a regular elegy. Well, let's move and learn it. It can be defined as: a pastoral elegy is a poem that mourns the death of a person, often a friend or fellow poet, and typically set in a rural landscape. What does it mean? Basically, a pastoral elegy is a special type of elegy that deals with both death as well as a peaceful rural life. Most pastoral elegies relate to a shepherd and his rustic lifestyle. Simply, it means that a pastoral elegy is a specific type of elegy that is set in a rural landscape and uses pastoral conventions, such as shepherds, flocks, and nature imagery. The pastoral elegy typically uses these elements to represent the beauty and simplicity of the deceased's life. This question must be in your mind, that how pastoral elegy is different from an ordinary elegy. So, in order to draw a distinctive line between pastoral elegy and elegy in general, so you must keep these characteristics of a pastoral elegy, such as setting. This is one of the main characteristics is that a pastoral elegy is set in a rural landscape, while an elegy can be set in any location. In other words, you can say that in a pastoral elegy, the setting is usually a rural or natural landscape, often depicting idyllic scenes of countryside life. On the other hand, a regular elegy can take place in any location and isn't necessarily tied to rural themes. The setting in a pastoral elegy plays a significant role in creating a sense of tranquility and harmony, reinforcing the reflective and mourning aspects of the poem. Conventions. By convention it means that a pastoral elegy uses pastoral conventions, such as shepherds, flocks, and nature imagery, while an elegy does not have to use these conventions. So, these conventions can be found only in pastoral elegies, and a regular elegy lacks these conventions. So, this is also one of the distinctive features of an pastoral elegy. Theme. A pastoral elegy often explores the themes of beauty, simplicity, and loss, while an elegy can explore a wider range of themes. It means that the themes of beauty, simplicity, and loss are commonly explored in pastoral elegies, as they relate to the tranquil and idealized rural setting. In contrast, a regular elegy can encompass a broader array of themes beyond these, including personal reflection, grief, philosophical contemplation, and more. The specific themes in an elegy can vary widely based on the subject and purpose of the poem, whereas pastoral elegies tend to focus on the interplay between nature and emotions. As examples you can take Lycidas, by John Milton. This poem mourns the death of Edward King, a fellow student at Cambridge University. The poem is set in a rural landscape and uses pastoral conventions, such as shepherds, flocks, and nature imagery. Milton uses the poem to explore the themes of beauty, simplicity, and loss. And you can also take another example. Adonais, by Percy Bysshe Shelley. This poem mourns the death of John Keats, a fellow poet. The poem is set in a rural landscape and uses pastoral conventions, such as shepherds, flocks, and nature imagery. Shelley uses the poem to explore the themes of beauty, death, and immortality. Well, guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.